to make any old cup of coffee. You simply need a pot, heat, ground coffee, and water. But you're not just anyone. You are a coffee aficionado. A determined, fearless seeker of the best Java. And this is the guide for you. How to Make Coffee provides an in-depth look at the art and science behind the bean. Learn the anatomy of coffee. The chemistry of caffeine. The best way to roast, grind, and brew the beans to their peak flavor. And what gadgets you really need. Versus what gadgets are for mere coffee dilettantes. With illustrated, step-by-step instructions. How to Make Coffee is for the person who doesn't want to settle for anything less than the perfect cup. This book is a quick read but can also be used as a reference. There are other books that will go more in depth, but this one is perfect for someone who has only recently gotten excited about coffee and wants to do more exploring. Makes the brewing chemistry and physics easy to understand without delving too deeply into the specifics. This is a great no-fluff book. Really explains the science behind coffee. I was truly impressed. I roast my own coffee that I buy on Amazon and this goes great with it. Visit link in description below.